Okay, so guys, ulit tayo ngayon. I'll recite 7 sections of the Article 3, no, Bill of Rights. So Section 1, um, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, and property without the due process of law, nor shall any person be denied equal protection of the law. Then Section 2 is that um, the right of the people to be secured in their persons, houses, and papers uh, against against unreasonable searches and seizures in whatever nature for any purpose shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest, um, no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause uh, determined personally by the judge under the examination of oath and affirmation by the complainant and his or her witnesses, and the witnesses he or she may produce, um, particularly describing the place to be searched or the persons or things to be seized. Okay, so that's section 2. Section 3 pertains to the privacy of communication and correspondence. It shall be inviolable except upon the lawful order of the court, or when the public safety or public order requires otherwise, as may be provided by the law. Then paragraph 2 of section 3 is that no evidence obtained in violation of this or the preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. All right. So that's section 3. Section 4 pertains to the all right. No no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, no? uh, or of expression or the press, no? And the people to peaceably the right of people to peaceably the right of people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for redress of grievances. Then section number 5 pertains to the religion, that no law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting free exercise thereof. Huh? So the free exercise and enjoyment of the right to profession and the right to the religious profession and worship without discrimination or preference uh, shall forever be allowed. No? Yes, shall forever be allowed. And another thing, no religious tests. No religious tests shall be required to exercise civil and political rights. Then for that's section 5, section 6, section number 6 pertains to the liberty of abode. The liberty of abode uh, and of changing the same within the limits prescribed by the law shall not be impaired, shall not be impaired except upon the lawful order of the court. And then the neither shall the right to travel be impaired except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health as may be provided by the law. Now, section 7, guys, this is my last memorized section and then ongoing pa tayo. Section 7 pertains to the right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized, and access the access to official documents, official records, access to official documents, papers pertaining to the official acts, transactions, and decisions, as well as the government research data used as the basis for policy development, shall shall be afforded the citizen to such limitations as provided by the law.